To adjust an Alco brake, it is a bit of a time-consuming job. First of all, there is a plastic cap that needs removing off the back of the brake. This is quite easily found when you look on the rear of the brake. Then a screwdriver goes through the back, and there's an arrow at the bottom, at the side of the hole, which shows which way to move it. This one is down, so if you operate a screwdriver like that, this will operate the expander, the adjuster, like shown here. This is opening the brake slowly. This needs to be done until the brakes are locked up. Once it's locked up, you then reverse 9 clicks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. This should then let your brake drum move with a slight noise from the brake shoes just catching as they are adjusted up. On this particular trailer, as the adjuster is just behind the chassis, we use a cranked adjuster bar like this for moving the star wheel. Once it's been adjusted and backed off, it should move fairly freely with just a little bit of noise where the brake shoes are just catching the drum.